This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to PDF from Word. First, open the Word document you wish to convert. Once open, locate the File tab, usually found in the upper left-hand corner of your screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the Save as option. This action will open a new window, allowing you to choose where to save your new PDF file and how to name it. After clicking Save As, a dialog box will appear. Here, you'll first choose where on your computer you'd like to save the new PDF document. Next, and this is crucial, locate the Save As Type drop-down menu. Click on it, and a list of various file formats will appear. Scroll down and select PDF* from this list. This tells Word to convert your document into the portable document format. Before hitting Save, you have a few optional settings. Click the Options button in the Save As dialog box. Here, you can specify a page range if you only want to convert certain pages or choose to optimize for image quality. For most uses, selecting Standard Publishing Online and Printing provides excellent quality. If file size is a concern, Minimum Size Publishing Online creates a smaller file. Once satisfied, click OK and then Save. Another straightforward method to convert your Word document to a PDF is by using the Export feature. Return to the File tab, but this time, instead of Save As, select Export. You'll then see an option labeled Create PDF/XPS document. Click on this, and then click the Create PDF/XPS button. This will open a similar Publish as PDF or XPS dialog box, allowing you to name and save your new PDF file with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.